Good morning, bulls and bears. Here's a quick market update covering the US dollar index, crude oil, spot gold, and Australian dollar against the US dollar. I'll be diving into the key fundamentals and technical levels that traders need to watch this week. The US dollar index slipped to around 98.7 on Monday, snapping a 4-day rally. The move came amid heightened uncertainty after federal prosecutors launched a criminal investigation into Fed Chair Jerome Powell. This led to raising concerns over Federal Reserve's independence. Powell warned that political pressure could undermine monetary policy credibility. At the same time, weaker than expected US non farm payrolls reinforced expectations for further Fed rate cuts this year. Technically, the index is hovering near 200-day moving average at 98.77. RSI has eased to 54, signaling fading momentum. A break below the 25-day moving average at 98.42 could open the door to 98, while holding above current levels keeps upside targets at 99.32, 99.82, and potentially 100. Crude oil edged higher, briefly touching a 1 month high near $59.6. Prices are being supported by rising geopolitical risk premiums, particularly due to escalating unrest in Iran and heightened Middle East tensions. However, the market remains conflicted. While sanctions and instability raise supply concerns, global crude volumes remain ample due to concealed trading and stronger U.S. production. Technically, oil continues to trade within a $55 to $60 range. Support is seen near $56.76, while resistance stands at $60 and the 100-day moving average near $60.09. A break below $57.5 would weaken the bullish outlook. Spot gold surged to a new all-time high near $4,629 per ounce, driven by weaker US jobs data and escalating geopolitical risks. Tensions in Middle East, ongoing unrest in Iran, and broader global uncertainty have boosted safe haven demand. Markets now expect the Fed to hold rates this month, with at least two cuts priced in for the year. From a technical perspective, gold remains firmly in an uptrend. RSI is nearing overbought territory at around 70, but momentum remains strong. A sustained move above $4,600 opens the way toward $4,650 and $4,700, while a close below $4,550 could trigger a pullback toward $4,500 per ounce. The Australian dollar rebounded above 0.67 as the US dollar weakened. Domestic data remains mixed with softer job ads and cautious consumer spending, while the RBA maintains a wait and see stance on rates ahead of upcoming CPI data. Technically, the Australian dollar against the US dollar is testing the lower boundary of an ascending channel. Resistance is seen at 0.6725, with a break higher targeting 0.6766 and 0.68. On the downside, a drop below 0.6663 could expose 0.6622 and 0.66. That's your market snapshot for today. I'll see you in the next market update.